Okay, so let's just jump right into it. How do people actually make a real daily income from crypto without investing a single cent of their own money? Today, we're going to break down exactly how you can aim for $50 a day on Binance, starting with absolutely zero capital.
Yeah, I know what you're thinking. No way. Or this has to be another one of those clickbait titles. And you know what? You're right to be skeptical. A few years ago, this would have been impossible. But hold that thought for just a second.
You see, we're looking at this from a 2026 perspective, where the crypto game has totally changed. It's not just about buying low and selling high anymore. Binance has morphed into this massive digital economy, and they've realized something crucial. Their most valuable asset isn't just the coins, it's the millions of people using the platform. And that's why they're now willing to pay, and pay well, for your time and your engagement.
So let's talk about the biggest barrier for most people, right? Capital. The fear of losing your hard-earned money. But here's the big shift. Platforms like Binance have these gigantic marketing budgets, and they've realized, hey, instead of giving all this money to ad companies, why don't we just give it directly to our users? And this right here, this is the whole game changer. The old way? Shovel millions to ad agencies. The new way? That money now flows directly to people like you and me for contributing to the ecosystem. Your time, your focus, your effort. That has literally become the new money. And that is the secret to everything we're about to cover. Okay, so now we understand why this is possible, let's get into the how. Our first couple of methods are all about creating value for other people in the community. This isn't about trading charts, it's about being helpful. We all used to go to platforms like X for our crypto news, right? Well, Binance built its own version called Square to keep everyone in one place. And here's the genius part. You can earn money directly from your posts. People can tip you if they like what you're sharing, and Binance themselves runs these right-to-earn campaigns where they pay out rewards for the best content. So what's the trick? It's all about consistency. Seriously, just post helpful stuff twice a day, use the right hashtags so people can find you, and chat with other creators. You're not investing cash, you're investing ideas. People are already making a solid daily income from tips alone on this thing. Now for method 2, the Binance affiliate program. And this number, 50%, this is why it's so incredibly powerful. That's the commission you can get from the trading fees of every single person who signs up with your link. This isn't just about getting a few buddies to join. It's about building a real passive income machine. And here's the strategy in a nutshell. You make super short, simple videos that answer the questions every beginner has, like, how do I even open an account? Or how do I make my first trade? Then, in the description, you put your referral link. You do the work just once, and those videos can keep earning for you, well, forever. All right, so we've covered the content side of things, but maybe you're thinking, I don't really want to be a creator. That's totally fine. Let's switch gears to methods that require zero content creation. These are all about just interacting with the platform. So Binance Megadrop is basically a launch pad for brand new crypto projects. To get your hands on their tokens for free, all you have to do is complete super easy tasks. We're talking things like following them on social media or connecting your Binance Web3 wallet. And for doing that, you get rewarded with their new tokens before they even hit the open market. It's a direct payment for just a few minutes of your time. And method 4 might just be the easiest one of all. It's called Learn and Earn. Binance literally pays you crypto to watch a short video about a project and then answer a few simple questions. That's it. They just drop the tokens right into your wallet. But here's the pro tip. Don't just let them sit there. Take those free tokens and stake them in Simple Earn, where they start earning interest. You're basically building a portfolio that grows itself, all from nothing. Okay, now we're at our 5th and final method. And honestly, I think of this one as the hidden treasure. This is the long game. This is for people who are really passionate and want to become true crypto insiders. The Binance Angels are like the special forces of the community. They're dedicated volunteers who help new users, host local meetups, and are basically leaders on the ground. It starts out as a volunteer thing, but the perks, oh man, the perks are on another level. Angels get invited to these huge global conferences with all expenses paid. They get sent awesome, high-value merch, and maybe most importantly, they are first in line for actual jobs at Binance. On top of that, you can earn cash through bounty programs for helping find bugs or doing translations. You can see how this path becomes seriously valuable over time. So we've got these 5 powerful methods, but how do you actually put them all together to hit that $50 a day goal? It's all about diversifying your effort and having a daily game plan.
This is what it looks like in practice. You just chip away at each method every single day. In the morning, you knock out your mega drop tasks. In the afternoon, you get your 2 Binance Square posts up. In the evening, you see if there are any new quizzes. You're building multiple streams of income all at the same time, all on one platform.
Now, look, are you going to hit $50 on day one? Probably not. Maybe not even in the first week. You might start at $5 a day, then 10. But as your affiliate funnel starts to work, your follower count grows, and that free crypto portfolio you're building gets bigger, a snowball effect kicks in, and that $50 a day goal starts to look very, very real. And really, this is the main thing to remember. If you don't have money to invest, that's fine. But you have to be ready to invest your time, your focus, and your discipline. In this new digital world, that's your real capital.
So there you have it. The roadmap is right there in front of you. The only thing left to do is take that first step. So the real question is, which one of these methods are you going to start with today? Are you going to become a creator on Binance Square or start building out that affiliate funnel? I'd love to hear your game plan.